In this video, we'll learn about ISNUMBER function in a real-life scenario. Let's say that we have an exported file from our ERP or from any other system, and we have sales records for several products. However, not all of the entries in the sales column are numeric because the file received from the system was, let's say, not ready, and our Excel receive in this format with cells containing figures, but with also cells containing error or even words. To safely calculate commissions, we need to check whether each cell's value is a valid number before performing a calculation. So, as you can see here, we will use if function combined with ISNUMBER, and we will find out for which row we can calculate the commission, and for other row we cannot calculate, and we will receive a message instead of a value. So this formula says if the value in column B, in our case this row it's 1.2k, is a number, then calculate 10% commission, otherwise display the message check value. Okay, so let's make it from 0 equal if, pressing tab, and the logical test will be ISNUMBER for B2, then I need to close here the brackets, value if true, it's B2 multiplied with 0.1, otherwise check the value message. I will copy this formula till down, and you see that we have two rows where we receive the check the value message. So you see that for monitor or laptop all is fine. We have figures, numbers, so we can calculate the commission. But for keyboard or for headphones, we have different type of fields and characters in our cell imported from our system. That's why Excel returns clear message, but you need to check the value. So the user can go in the ERP, extract again the value and put it here and correct, so that the commission formula column will be okay. Now we've applied this logic to all products. So this approach is extremely useful when cleaning up messy or important data sets. Instead of letting formulas break, we use ISNUMBER combined with if function to add logic and avoid errors. You can even combine ISNUMBER with conditional formatting to highlight invalid cells or add filters to review only rows that need attention. So here we can play from data with a filter, and for sure we can check this value and correct them. So let's combine also with conditional formatting. So I will select the column C, going to conditional formatting. I will insert a new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and here I will write simply ISNUMBER function, and I will choose C2, for example, and I want to make it blue. Okay, and here we go. Now all the cells that are numbers are in a light blue, and the other ones are in white.